Hello everybody. Unfortunately this year I won't be able to join you in Canada celebrating the past fiscal year and the kickoff of a new fiscal year. But then I thought that I can do at least something and I can deliver a brief message and send it over to you. And as I was working on that message, I realized that actually this message is to everybody in Adastra group, not only Adastra Canada. I want to say a big thank you. It was again tremendous year behind us, and we made progress in so many areas and so many our offices and our companies. There was not one single one staying behind. In the numbers for the group, we reached the revenue of 200 million Canadian dollars, and now we have 2,000 people working in all of our entities. And the year we are just starting, we will reach the revenue of 200 million US dollars. So we expect tremendous growth to continue. Now, it's a growing challenge to name all of our brands and all of our companies, and I want to challenge you to try it yourself. So I will try it here. So under the Adastra brand, we have Adastra Canada, and Adastra Czechia, Adastra Germany, Adastra Slovakia, Adastra Bulgaria, and Adastra Russia. And we have Atacama with all their offices. We have in North America and a number of countries in Europe, and also this past year we opened a new office in Australia, in Sydney. So now we are operating from three continents, Atacama-wise. And then we have Adastra Business Consulting, and we have Instarea, the data monetization company, and we have Akamar, both in Canada and in Czechia, the resource acquisition company. And then we have Adastra One, a mobile app company, Blindspot, an AI company, and very recently Pro Boston, what is creative marketing company. And the last three we actually got through acquisition. So you know that through most of our history we had grown organically. But Pavel Kysela, the head of Adastra Czech, who was probably the first one in our organization, nicely formulating our future and our broader vision for the future. He was impatient and he wanted us to be right there, and we couldn't wait. So he convinced us to make those three acquisitions over the past 2 years, and Pro Boston is the last of them. And it's really shifting us or moving us in a new expanded space. In all of our companies, we had done tremendously building our know-how, building our practices, the existing one, and starting new one. And I cannot name all of the practices we have in all of the entities, but I want to emphasize one which is doing tremendously and has tremendous future, and it's very strategic for us. And this is the AI practice in Canada, established and growing under John Yanni. And it's really crucial for us. Why it's crucial? Because it's for a number of years, we are, of course, riding the wave of digitization, and we are moving our customers to cloud, and we are building big data lakes. But our customers actually expect business value, and AI is the key vehicle. It's the key to unlock the value of all that technology investments on the big data side. Of course, we are not only unleashing value through AI, but we are also growingly bridging the business side and the technology side. This is what we do with Adastra Business Consulting, but growingly embracing that challenge through all of our entities. Now, in this year, we planned to continue that great growth what we had, and also to be adding new offices and new entities. We are preparing and will open in a couple of months, Adastra, Thailand, what the prime mission will be on the delivery side, so increasing the capacity of the delivery. And then on Atacama side, we are planning to open Atacama, France, what is also very, very exciting. You know, we had fantastic 18 years of growth, uninterrupted. And so you can say that we are a mature company because we are 18 years old. And, you know, actually, with the history of ours, we had initial acquisition on the very beginning, so we are a little bit even older than that. But this is how I view our future. I like to go hiking. And, you know, when you start a hiking track somewhere in Alps and you start low from the valley, and you look up and you see some peaks, some summits, and you think this is where I want to go. And then you go, and when you get there, a new world opens ahead of you, something what you couldn't see from the start. You see new valleys and you see new summits, and you want to go there. And this is the point where we are today. We reached very high, but now we are in a new game, and we see new beginning for a even greater future for us. You know, touring Thailand with Darren and Lubo 1 week ago, I had an interesting chat with Darren, and he was saying, look, we have it all, like end-to-end, the broader information management. We have our own platform in Atacama, we have all the technological skills, and we have the delivery capacities, and we have the front ends, and you know, we have the mobile apps, and we have the business consulting, bridging everything, and now we have the creative marketing. Nobody else in the world has all of these facets under one umbrella, nicely integrated and cooperating together. So it's very unique. And I hope, you know, Darren can formulate it better than I said, and I hope that you will hear it from him. But it's so much true. Yesterday I visited Atacama here in Prague, and I had a chat with Michal Klaus, who is as you know, who is the CEO of Atacama. And among other things, we talked about the importance of brand. And he was saying, you know what brand is? Brand is simply the trust which is preceding you. The trust walking ahead of you there where you want to go. And, you know, when I think about all that great work and so many delivered projects and delivered systems, delivered solutions to our clients, we have their trust. We deserve their trust. We work so hard for their trust. We have the trust. And also talking to Darren at another occasion related to Atacama, Darren was talking about Afshin, who is the head of Atacama in North America. And he was saying, nobody knows how good Afshin is. And he said, well, I do, certainly. I know how good he is. And he said, not even Afshin knows how good Afshin is. And that's true, because Afshin is humble. And I was thinking, yes, Afshin is great, but we have so many great people everywhere through our organization. On the practices side, on the management side, on the business development side, in the back offices, on the delivery side. We have fantastic people, people who are invoking trust, people who are delivering and customers trust them. And they are absolutely great. You guys are great and humble. So while it's good to be humble, I want us deep in our hearts know that we are building and we are working for the best company in the world of its kind. So thank you very much for that, and I want to wish you the continuous journey and lots of success in the new fiscal year 2019. Thank you.